Ready to transform your Mailerlite newsletters from bland to brilliant and watch those conversion rates soar. First, log into your Mailerlite account and navigate to the Campaigns tab. Click on Create Campaign to start a new newsletter. Give your campaign a descriptive name and choose a subject line that will grab attention. Now, for the fun part, choose the drag and drop editor. This is where your creativity comes alive. Start with your header. Drag an image block to the top and upload your logo or a captivating header image. Next, add a text block for your introduction. Use clear, concise language and break up large paragraphs. Mailerlite's formatting tools let you adjust font size, color, and spacing to ensure readability. Bold key phrases to emphasize important points. Images are crucial. Insert relevant, high-quality images throughout your newsletter. Make sure to resize them appropriately so they don't overwhelm the text. Alt text is important. Make sure to add alt text. Call to action buttons are key to driving conversions. Drag a button block into your newsletter and customize the text, color, and link to your desired destination. Make them prominent and irresistible. Use dividers to create visual separation between sections. Mailerlite offers various divider styles to choose from. Maintain your branding by using your brand colors consistently throughout the newsletter, especially in the background, buttons, and text. Before sending, always preview your newsletter on both desktop and mobile. Send a test email to yourself to ensure everything looks perfect and all links are working correctly. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can create visually appealing and engaging Mailerlite newsletters that captivate your audience and drive results. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Mailerlite tips and tricks.